Avocado toast is everywhere these days, and for good reason. It's tasty, easy to make, and good for you. We all love a trend we can get behind, and this is definitely one of them. Simple, delicious food is something everyone can enjoy. But did you know that avocado toast can also be a secret weapon for weight loss? That's right. This trendy treat can help you on your journey to a healthier you. Let's get into the how and why. Avocados are full of good stuff. They have healthy fats that make you feel full. This means you won't be reaching for unhealthy snacks between meals. Avocados also have fiber, which is important for digestion and helps you feel full longer. They are packed with vitamins and minerals too. All these nutrients make avocados a great choice for people who want to lose weight. They give your body what it needs to thrive while keeping you satisfied. The base of your avocado toast is just as important as the avocado itself. Choosing whole grain bread over white bread makes a big difference. Whole grain bread is packed with fiber, which, as we know, helps you feel full and aids digestion. It also has more vitamins and minerals than white bread. White bread is often stripped of its nutrients and can spike your blood sugar, leaving you feeling sluggish. So make the smart choice and go for whole grain. Now for the fun part, toppings. You can add so many healthy and delicious things to your avocado toast. Try a poached egg for extra protein. Some sliced tomatoes add freshness and vitamins. A sprinkle of chili flakes brings the heat and can boost your metabolism. Get creative and experiment with different flavors. The possibilities are endless. Avocado toast is a delicious and nutritious meal or snack that can help you lose weight. By choosing the right bread and toppings, you can create a satisfying and healthy meal that will keep you full and energized.